Hello! Today I want to show you the mini basket. This is a simple and quick project to make. It is the perfect size to hold some grass and a single Easter egg or a special treat. I will include a link to my website in the description below so you can find the free files to make this project. Start with the basket. Fold along each score line. Place glue on the back of each tab and attach it to the inside edge of the next panel. Next, make the liner. Fold along each score line to make the ruffles. Glue these inside the basket by placing glue along the bottom edge and along the score line edge of the liner. Match the liner up with the bottom of the basket and glue. Make sure you put the glue on the correct side of the liner. The liner should fold over the edge of the basket so it is hanging outside of the basket. Last, attach the handle. Place glue on each end of the handle. Insert the handle into the basket and stick it to the liner, matching the bottom of the handle up with the bottom of the basket. This is the completed mini basket. It is ready to fill with a fun surprise. Thanks for watching, everyone!